Into this video, we are going to take a close look at how to shield our privacy and stop data tracking in Windows 10. I just want to clarify that it is not only Windows that is spying on you, but it is a default settings that allow for a third party to be spying on you as well. So let's go ahead and disable or turn off every one of those. Now, the first step in securing our privacy is to come down to the search bar here and type in settings. Okay, I'm gonna click on that. From here, we're gonna come down to privacy, click on that. Now, right on this page, we are going to make some few changes to some of the privacy options here. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and start to disable or turn off all these options here. Right now, the second step is to go to diagnostics and feedback. We're going to click on that and we're going to scroll down and disable all these options as well. Okay, after disabling all those options right from diagnostics and feedback, our next step is to come to activity history. We're going to click on that and we're going to disable this, all of this. All right, our next step is to come to location. We're going to click on location and we're going to click on location for this device is on. So we're going to turn it off. Okay, right, so when you turn this off, it's going to turn other options off as well right from this page. Okay, so that's for location. Right from here, we're going to scroll down and select background apps. So right on this page, these are the list of the apps that are running on the background. So we're going to turn all these apps off. Okay, we're going to turn it off by just clicking on this one option that says let apps run in the background. We're going to turn it off by clicking on this option here. So it is off. All the apps that are running on the background is off. This helps to speed up and then maximize the system performances. Okay, so we've come to the end of the video. Leave your thoughts in the comment section and I'll be glad to answer them. Thanks for watching.